Poco F1. 6 months back in 2018, Xiaomi launched this phone as their flagship under their new sub-brand Pocophone at an unbelievable price point. The Poco F1 offered flagship-grade hardware like Snapdragon 845 processor, 6 or 8 GB of RAM, 64 to 256 GB of internal storage and a 4000 mAh battery, all this starting at a price of 21,000 rupees. So is the Poco F1 still a worth buying phone in 2019? Let's find out in this video. Hey guys, my name is Nkato and you're watching BlazeTechnica. In this video, let's take a quick look at the Pocophone Poco F1. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. If you end up liking this video, then don't forget to subscribe and also press the bell icon to get notified every time I upload a new video. In terms of build and design, the Poco F1 isn't the best looking phone in its price segment, but it can be compromised considering the powerful hardware it offers. Talking about the hardware, the Poco F1 comes with Qualcomm's Snapdragon 845 processor, which was Qualcomm's flagship processor for 2018. And due to that, performance of this phone is also fast and responsive, whether it is jumping between apps or playing games like PUBG on highest graphic setting. The phone also doesn't get very hot thanks to that liquid cooling and the plastic bag it has. The Poco F1 comes in 6 or 8 GB RAM variants, so the memory management is also not an issue on this phone. In terms of storage, the Poco F1 comes in 64, 128 and 256 GB storage variants, and the storage can also be expanded as this phone comes with a hybrid slot where you can use one SIM and one micro SD card. Talking about the camera, the Poco F1 comes with a dual camera setup. The primary camera is a 12 megapixel with an aperture of f1.9, whereas the secondary camera is a 5 megapixel depth sensor with an aperture of f2.0. The front-facing camera is a 20 megapixel with an aperture of f2.0. And the camera performance is also the best compared to other phones in this price segment. Here are some of the camera samples from this Poco F1. With recent software update, now the Poco F1 can shoot slow-mo videos at 960 fps. This phone comes with a 4000 mAh battery and it can easily last you through a day. Also, it has support for Qualcomm Quick Charge 3 for fast charging. Talking about the software, currently the Poco F1 runs on MIUI 10 based on Android version 9 Pie. The biggest annoyance with MIUI these days are those ads, but thankfully that's not the case with the Poco F1. So the base variant of this Poco F1 was launched at a price of 21,000 rupees, but recently the price of this phone has reduced to 20,000 rupees. So considering all these things, at this price the Poco F1 is still a great phone to buy if camera and performance are high on your list of priorities. So that's it for this video. I hope you guys liked it. If you did, then give this video a like and subscribe to BlazeTechnica for more tech videos like this. Thanks for watching. This is me Aniket signing off and I will see you guys in the next one.